200 degree temperature
our organization Renacon group of company. So first of all, we like to welcome you, managing director, chairman of managing director, Mr. Renacon sir, and our deputy CEO, Mr. Venkatesh sir, and joint director, Mr. Manoj Musafar sir.
Good evening to all of our present print media friends. Romba Santosham, it is an immense pleasure to be part of this event, for being here. My name is Venkatesh. I've been associated with Renatus Group for the last 2 years, and in the position of Deputy CEO, announced the launch of new products. And before that, I'm a company because I just wanted to say something. So this Renatus Group, it's a Renatus Group, and it's almost about 55 years. We are in this industry. So we started in the year 1970, construction field. Then after that, we have the Renatus Projects Private Limited and Solitaire, infra projects as well as commercial and residential projects as a EPC job. Second thing on the other one is RENAFLEX concrete business start for now. I think it is almost 6 plants economically in and around Europe. And Renatus Procon and Solitaire building materials total. From the materials we started in the year 2012. So it's almost 13 years actually on there. And now we have established a new company that's Renatus Products Private Limited. So
I'm Manoj, Joint Managing Director in Renatus Procon. Sir, he's briefed about excellently. He's briefed about the company and the group what we are doing. As a group, construction பண்றோம். அடுத்தது manufacturing, material manufacturing பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Renacon, ready mix concrete, RENAFLEX இப்போ புது ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணி லான்ச் பண்றது இது எல்லாமே பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ல நாங்க தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறோம். சென்னையில மேடவாக்கம் பெருங்குளத்தூர் ஃபிளைஓவர் 5 years பேக் நாங்க தான் கட்டி முடிச்சோம். இது மாதிரி நாங்க மால்தீவ்ஸ்ல, மொரிஷியஸ்ல எல்லாம் ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். இப்போ கரண்டா 2 ஏர்போர்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஒன்னு ராஜமுந்திரி ஆந்திர பிரதேஷ்லயும், இன்னொன்னு மால்தீவ்ஸ்ல கேன் இன்டர்நேஷனல் ஏர்போர்ட். இது இல்லாம நாங்க ஹவுசிங் அபார்ட்மெண்ட்ஸ் மால்தீவ்ஸ்ல வீடு கட்டி விற்கிறோம் ஆஸ் எ பில்டர். இப்ப கோயம்புத்தூர்ல ரெனாட்டஸ் வரன்னு சொல்லி ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் கோயம்புத்தூர்ல பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். விச் இஸ் மல்டி-ஸ்டோரி பில்டிங் 144 யூனிட்ஸ் இருக்கு. மால்தீவ்ஸ்லயும் 2 அபார்ட்மெண்ட் இப்போ பண்ணி ஒன் ஆஃப் த டாலஸ்ட் பில்டிங் இப்போ கட்டி 27 ஸ்டோரி சென்னை சென்ட்ரல் டவர்னு சிஎம்ஆர்எலோட கமர்ஷியல் பில்டிங் இப்போ கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் ஆப்போசிட் டு சென்னை சென்ட்ரல்.
Product that is getting launched, right? So RENAFLEX from the house of Renacon, right? It is a futuristic product with it. Just for people who don't, it's a composite building material which is used for drywall construction, right? And so in RENAFLEX, we are using a technology called laminar flow technology, which kind of gives a uniform fiber spread across the material, and any point of time, if you look at any square, you will have a uniform spread, and which kind of gives a non-undulated surface. So there is this because a lot of these construction India is in infrastructure is going ahead. There are a lot of government schemes which are like promising like more than 1 crore sort of housing. So when you come to like use such futuristic material, like a lot of
premium product in 2010, only few companies that time they make it. Few companies in all over India, only 5 companies are made. It's only premium product. Only hospitals, hotels are used for it. So when we started in 2011, then we develop a market, we convince in the rural area. When you Kerala and Tamil Nadu full entire village when you getting out, the people will know the Renacon and the AC block. Such a hard work we done for past 14 years. We developed the market because it's a green product. So it's raw material, main raw material suppliers. It's a waste product. So 60% of the raw material is pliers. It's a waste material. Then you're going to weight about 1/3 weight of the now bricks, gay bricks, and the solid blocks. So in this, either we convinced our architect meeting, so we have almost 600 dealers. We have in Tamil Nadu, all over Tamil Nadu, we have 3 plants. One is in Orchard, first plant, second is in Tirunelveli, that is in south. Third is in Perundai. So German business, wherever in Tamil Nadu we can material supply easier. Then Tirunelveli plant we can South Kerala we can supply, and mother Erode plant we can supply to North Kerala. So Kerala we have almost 70% of the market share we are having. Tamil Nadu almost 50% of the market share we are having. So our all 3 plants are running at full capacity. And also I happy to say that 2006 is the first M-sand manufacturing in Nagadam. So from 1970 we have a blue metal certificate in Kolkata Erode. So first M-sand we got approved from PWD in 2006. So from that, so we found that this block, AAC block is another market. But first 5 years we struggled a lot, and after that we market is picked up. Then now, same thing. When it was 2011, AAC was the same than fiber support board market in India. So we have to give a lot of awareness. It's a lot of all the facilities in there. There is labor problem or construction, a lot of labor problem. So in Europe, Australia, on the Middle East, China, normal all partition wall வந்து 4 or 5% போடுறது they are using, and outdoor cladding also. So now this 2 years நிறைய develops more than 250 fiber plant இருக்கு. India only almost I think 15 maximum 15 to 20 தான் இருக்கு இப்போ. So you have good potential, very easy to construct, lot of as he said, lot of advantages are there. That's why we started this factory. When within 1 year we start Bhumi Puja within 1 year we took up production. Now we are already launched it. So we started the AAC plant in the same campus. The capacity is very high. AC only biggest one. So December we want to take a production. 6 months we want to take a production that plant. This is our company. So this Chennai is Central Tower is the tallest building in Chennai. That is total EPC scheme. Central opposite on the building the CMR building. That is CMR commercial complex. Totally 27 floors. So the company this is the tallest building in Chennai. So we are doing already 5 floors. 5 floors we completed. So we are at the center. Thank you.